And the race is on. Solar Power from the outside. Loretta. Taralets from the outside and moving up by the release through Amigo. Giant Wonder, Power Gear rushing up in the middle. Smart Little Lady, Core Duo and Stellar Race. Solar Power, followed by Smart Little Lady, Loretta, through Amigo. Down on the inside, Taralets racing fifth together with Giant Wonder. Passing the half-mile post. Two runners fighting around for the lead. Smart Little Lady, Solar Power, Taralets, Loretta. Inside the last 700, it's a neck-to-neck race. Solar Power and Smart Little Lady down on the inside. Last 500 meters, still two runners fighting it out for the lead. It's still Solar Power by ahead. Smart Little Lady and moving up Starlets as they race the final corner. Solar Power to A this time by 3/4 of a length. The Smart Little Lady down on the inside and Taralets moving up is Power Gear and Loretta. Solar Power, Taralets is on the outside. It's still Solar Power and Taralets fighting around for the lead. Solar Power and finally Solar Power, Taralets, Smart Little Lady, Loretta, Power Gear, number 3, Core Duo, Stellar Race, Giant Wonder, and True Amigo.